Hello, my dear children. Welcome and greetings from Indus Valley Public School Rat, where we were doing a topic from English grammar, and the name of the topic was adverbs. Children, in our previous video, we had already taken an introduction of adverbs. Let's have quick review from that. What is an adverb? Adverb describes a verb, adjective, or other adverb and answers how, when, where, or how much. Types of adverbs we'll study. So there are adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of degree, adverb of time, relative adverb, and interrogative adverb. Now, we will have a quick review again of different types of adverbs. First one, we have adverb of place that helps a speaker expresses where the verb is happening. They are usually placed after the main verb or object or at the end of the sentence. For example, Peter is sitting close to me. Next one, the air is everywhere. So this bold word close in everywhere is adverb of place. Next one, adverb of manner. Adverb of manner explains how an action happens. For example, should we dress elegantly? Aditi acted wisely. So elegantly and wisely, they are adverb of manner. Next, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time explains when an action happens. Right now means at what point of time an action is going to happen, or tonight. So it is telling about the time when a particular action is being performed. Next, we have adverb of degree. Adverbs that answer the question how much or to what extent are known as adverb of degree. For example, the soup was too salty. This coffee is very hot. So how much? What is the intensity of the soup? It means too salty. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा. This coffee is very hot. So very. Next, adverb of frequency. An adverb of frequency tells us how often something takes place. I always study after class. I usually walk to work. So always and usually are adverb of frequency, means how many times you used to do. Next, interrogative adverbs. Adverbs that are used to ask questions about time, place, number, manner, quantity, and reason are interrogative adverbs. For example, where is the new mall being built? So they are talking about the place where the mall is going to be constructed. Why don't you like her? So about the manner. Okay. Next one. Relative adverb. Relative adverb is a word that joins sentences or clause. It acts as conjunction, you can say. The words are where, when, and why. So three types of relative adverbs: where, when, and why. Let's see some examples. This is the pool where I used to swim. So it is connecting pool and where I used to swim. Next one. Yesterday was the day when I met my friend for lunch. So again a connecting word, when. I don't know why I got angry. Okay. Now we will study about positions of adverbs. That's positioning of adverb plays a very important role in a sentence because whenever we place the position of the adverb, wherever we place the adverb, it will change the meaning of the sentence. Let's see one example for the same. She immediately plans to go Calicut. Children, immediately here placed before verb. In the second sentence, she plans to go Calicut immediately. So now for you these two sentences are similar, but it has a these sentences have some change. Let's see what are the changes. In the first sentence, plan is immediate. And here in the second sentence, she is moving immediately to Calicut. So no plan, its movement is there. So let's see. The first में plan is immediate and second going to Calicut is immediate. Okay. So first में verb का adverb is used, and for second place of adverb. That adverb is used for place. Next. So first is adverb of manner, usually placed where? After the verb or after the direct object, and if the object is one word. तो manner of adverb कहाँ पे place होता है? verb के बाद, और अगर आपके पास direct object है sentence में तो उसके बाद. For example, Ruby works elegantly. Ruby chopped the vegetable carefully. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे Ruby chopped the vegetables. तो जो आपका vegetables है, that is your object, and carefully is your adverb. Here works is verb and elegantly is adverb. Second one. Adverb of place, generally placed after the verb or after the object. For example, Sejal lives here. I saw Sejal here. So Sejal lives is a verb. Here is adverb. Sejal is the object in the sentence, and here is adverb of place. Next one. Adverb of time, usually placed either in the beginning or end of the sentence, or can be used after the helping verb. Let's see. Tahir replied to my questions immediately. So now here immediately, adverb of time, it is placed at the end. Recently, I purchased the car. So here in the beginning. They are now going to visit the auditorium. So we are having two verbs, helping verb and main verb. So adverb of time is used in between them, or you can say after the first part of the verb. Second, adverb of degree, generally placed before the verb, adjective or adverb. For examples, I completely forget to meet him. Second, he is quite good in singing. Mr. Garg had given very nicely this speech. Adverb of frequency, usually placed before the main verb. For example, Ravish usually reads English novels. Rihanna never eats non-veg. Adverb of interrogative, placed at the beginning of the sentence. Where did the children go for playing? When did you meet him? Now some more rules about adverb, placing of adverb. First one. If there is helping verb and main verb in the sentence, then adverb is placed after the helping verb. For example, they are now going to visit auditorium. So, are and going. Second one. If the object is one word and then adverb is placed after the object. So, whenever we have one word as an object, we will place after that. For example, Ravish went to home quickly. So, home, one object, one word object, and adverb is quickly. Next one. If object is group of words, then adverb is placed before the verb. तो मतलब एक नहीं, ऑब्जेक्ट कई वर्डों से मिलके बनता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे क्विकली लुक द वेन्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन. सो ऑब्जेक्ट इज वेन्यू ऑफ द फंक्शन, सो इट इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर verb. See here. So verb is looked, it is placed quickly. Quickly is your adverb. So it is placed before looked, and the object is venue of the function. If an adverb modifies an adjective or adverb, it normally comes before it. For example, Ravish is very carefully looking at each and every word of the question paper. So very carefully our adverb and very, that is modifying the adverb, so it is used before that. Second one, the lamb looks quite innocent. So here innocent is your adjective and quite is the adverb. So adjective and quite is adverb. So adverb is used before the adjective. Next, adverbs are placed before the verb if the verb consists of only one word, like in case of degree. For example, they almost looked the venue. So here looked is one verb and it is adverb of degree almost. It is placed before that. If the verb is different forms of be के forms क्या होते हैं? Is, am, are, was, were. तो adverb is placed after it. अगर sentence में ये forms use होते हैं and this plays the important role, be के form मतलब main verb की तरह act करते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसमें जो adverb होता है वो उसके बाद use होता है. If is, am, are, was, were is used as a main verb. See, let's see. Ravish is always in hurry. So is here acting as a main verb. The painters were quite serious. So were here acting as the main verb and we have placed quite adverb after it. Next, adverbs are usually placed before the verb have to and used to. So whenever we have to, has to, had to, something like that, or used to, then we place adverb before it. For example, they often have to go for the meeting. So have to go and before that we have used often. Second, Khushi always used to praise. So used to is there and always adverb. Before that we have used. If there are more adverbs in the sentence, then following are the sequence. Means sometimes we use more than one adverb in a sentence, then their positioning, how we will place the adverb. First one, if we have all these five, manner, place, time, frequency, purpose, then this is the manner. First we will place manner, then place, then time, then frequency and purpose. So this is the sequence if we have 5 adverbs and these are the adverbs. Second one, if manner and time is given in this then अगर सेंटेंस में अगर manner और time दोनों दिया हुआ है, सिर्फ ये दोनों, तो what will be a sequence? First we will be using time and then we will be using manner. For example, she is today going to draw picture neatly. So here today is the time and neatly is the manner. तो जब आपके पास manner और time होता है तो पहले आप time बताओगे, बाद में उसका manner बताओगे. Then next, if manner and place is given, then first we will take place and then manner. For example, Mr. Patel went there secretly. So there is place and secretly is manner. Next, if frequency, time and place is given, then sequence will be PFT, that is place, frequency and time. अगर आपके ये तीनों दिए हुए frequency, time and place, तो पहले आप क्या करेंगे? place, उसके बाद time और उसके बाद आपका frequency. He comes here 2 times in a day. So here is place, 2 times is your time, frequency means number of time, and day is your time. Next. So now after going through these types of positioning, we have some questions to practice. Let's do these questions. So rewrite following sentences after adding the given adverb in the appropriate place. So in the bracket I have provided you some of the adverbs. So now you have to place where they should be. The first question, I have understood her. Bracket में never. So which kind of never is? Degree or frequency? It is frequency. So you have to place where it is. My girlfriend forgot my birthday completely. Degree. He got dressed quickly. Manner. He got dressed in a hurry. So now you have to place how, where you're going to play in a hurry. She realized her mistake at once. We are invited to parties at the weekends often. So now you will be placing these adverbs in the given sentences. Okay, just try it out, everyone. Fine, children. Now moving towards the answers. I have never understood her. My girlfriend completely forgot my birthday. Or you can say, my girlfriend forgot my birthday completely. He got dressed quickly. He quickly got dressed. He got dressed in a hurry. She at once realized her mistake. We are often invited to parties at the weekend. Okay? So my dear children, hope you have understood the video. If there is any kind of doubt, please do ask me or comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.